Hi everyone, I'm Chetan Saraswath. I'm an alumni of FDDI, passed out from 2003 batch, that was DFT, Diploma in Footwear Technology at that time.
My name is Pradeep Singh Katia. So I'm from SFT 5th batch. We passed out from 1999 batch, right? And then currently I'm as a senior manager research and development in Singapore.
Hi, I'm Shivani. I graduated as a footwear designer from FDDI Noida in the year 2017. Currently, I'm working as a development head for Z Footwear Private Limited.
My name is Dharmendra and I am from the 1994-96 batch. I am currently heading my own company, which is a buying agency which helps connect Indian factories to overseas buyers.
At the time of passing, I was having several jobs option with me, whether I want to go into production or whether I choose merchandising or marketing. So I opted for merchandising. That was with Trend, that was Tata Retail Enterprises, and they were having footwear and apparel both chain with the name of Westside. So I was recruited as a sourcing officer over there in 2006. After getting into the exposure of sourcing for 2 years, I got this opportunity with Bata India in 2008, and I was recruited as a buyer. And again, after spending some time, I got the third opportunity with Adidas India, and it was going really well, and I had a wonderful experience over there and knowing about the German way of ethics and how the brand building gets done. Post that, I got my escalation to another profile, which was with a company called Blackberries, and I was there as a footwear and accessories business head, and that was eventually my last job also. So after Blackberries, me and my partners, we opted to leave our job, and we took this opportunity to open a very small manufacturing unit in Agra with the name called ATI Impex, that is Aspire to Inspire. And slowly and gradually, whenever the opportunity came, we started associating with all the major fashion brands of the country like Aditya Birla, Landmark, Metro, Mochi, and many other shoe brands as well. And we started to get it into exports market as well.
Okay, so I started my first job as in Moja Shoes Private Limited, and there I've joined as a quality manager. Then there are two companies in that factory. One is like Reebok, one is Nike. So I choose Reebok as a quality manager. From there we have started my career, and then from that part I grown like from students to first job, right? It's like very, very tidy. You need to stand, you need to work with the workers, right? And from there we started my career, and then I joined a second company as a Royal Sporting House after almost like 2.5 years. From there Reebok picked me. Then I continued with the Reebok, and after that Reebok I joined Adidas. So more or less I worked like 14 years in that company. So currently, right now, I'm in Sunrise company, which is known for Unix brand, and I'm handling the sourcing part for Southeast Asia market. And after this, I take it as a long journey, right? From FDDI pass out to the senior manager research and development. It's a long journey for me.
Right after college, through college placements, I got a job in Dubai in Italian shoe factory, and it was a unique experience. So after coming back from Dubai, I got a job in Unisol India Private Limited. It is a component industry where they manufacture soles. I was taking care of development over there as well. And 3 years at the job, I learned a lot. And for the last 1 year, I've been taking care of development at my current organization, which is the Footwear Private Limited.
Like many in my age, I was looking for an institute which can shape my aspirations. This is how I get into FDDI. While in the campus, my days were full of excitement, learning and challenges. We used to interact with a lot of faculties which were always pressing us for trying harder. International experts from countries like Italy, Australia, UK were always there to help us. Overall, FDDI has shaped my technical and professional journey in a very effective manner.
Like before joining, I visited this FDDI campus. There was a Mr. B.S. Katia, right? And he showed me all the campus, and then he told me about he's visiting so many countries, right? I said, wow, very good. So much of fun, impressed. Then he asked me to let's try. Then I tried. So in that, it's like we go for the written, and then we have like a group discussion. I remember that one point in that we have 4 people in that group discussion. One was like Bhatti, still in, and now he's in Australia. So we have group discussion, and we both were fighting each other in that group discussion. It was so nice, and then we after that fighting. It's not verbally. It's like he's on opposite side, I am posing, right? So we after that they picked us both in that final interview. I remember that interview.
So my time with FDDI was really memorable. The friends I made there, the people I met, they have continuously been in touch with me. It's been a decade and we still meet and hang out, and it is one of the best moments of our life. The faculty that we had over there was thoroughly helpful throughout our college life, from giving us that practical knowledge, from helping us attain internships, from guiding us to what jobs to go for, what profiles to go for. So FDDI has in so many ways played major role in my life, in shaping it and helping me become the professional that I want to be.
So one of the beautiful thing about being a FDDI alumni, I'll tell you, which helped us also in our entrepreneurial journey, was right through from manufacturing, or you go into the retail brand sector, you find one or the other ex-colleague or your ex-colleague, or I'll say subordinate, or the alumni member, almost everywhere. All the brands right now, we are there. So which was not there earlier in 2000 till 2006, I must say, but like post, as the time like passes by, we are everywhere in every brand in the country. So that's a proud, like when I take or when I enter into any of the brand office, I get to meet my alumni members. So it is very it's a moment of pride when we say like we are from FDDI.
It's like you need to work hard. There is nothing shortcut, and you need to very like honest, give your time, and then you have success.
Today at this juncture, I really feel grateful to whatever I have learned in FDDI, and I will advise all the younger ones who are looking for a great career with the inputs of creativity to choose FDDI as their destination.
I'll say work hard, enjoy these 3 or 4 years, whatever the college duration, enjoy your life too, and whenever you're stepping out, don't think about the work profile. As guided by our teachers, faculty, initial years, stay focused, get into the learning phase first, then into the demanding phase. There's a huge scope over there and a huge demand for the correct manpower. So trust in you, trust in the organization. You are already blessed when you are here. So have faith and do well.
So for all the students to come, I have only one message, that choose your time at FDDI wisely. Learn those basics. In an ever evolving industry, they never change. So get your basics strong. Find people that you can stay connected with that will help you through your journey. And that's it. All the best.